Appropriate preposition especially made for self-study WBCS preliminary. Appear before হাজির হওয়া. The convict appeared before the court. Apply to or for আবেদন করা. The unemployed man applied to the higher authority for a remedy. Apply to প্রয়োগ করা, প্রযোজ্য হওয়া. This rule cannot be applied to the problem. Appointed to নিয়োগ করা. The headmaster appointed him to the post. Approve of অনুমোদন করা. The government approved of my book. Aspire after আকাঙ্ক্ষা করা. Never aspire after wealth. Ask of or for চাওয়া. The beggar asked of me for alms. Attend at উপস্থিত থাকা. The attends at the office regularly. He attends at the office regularly. Attend to মনোযোগ দেওয়া. All students attended to the lecture. Attend on সেবা করা. The patient needs to be attended on. Atone for প্রায়শ্চিত্ত করা. We have many sins to atone for. Avenge on for প্রতিশোধ গ্রহণ করা. She avenged on the man for her father's death. Belong to অধিকার থাকা. The book belongs to me. Beg of or for he begged excuse of me for his conduct. Bestow on প্রদান করা. All virtue have been bestowed on England. Beware of সতর্ক হওয়া. Beware of pickpockets. Believe in আস্থা স্থাপন করা. Lenin did not believe in the Christian God.